Create a variable const. The const keyword was also introduced in ES6 and is short for the keyword constant. Just like with var and let, you can store any value in a const variable. The way you declare a const variable and assign a value to it follows the same structure as let and var. Take a look at the following example. Const my name Gilberto. Console.log my name. Output is Gilberto. However, a const variable cannot be reassigned because it is constant. If you try to reassign a const variable, you'll get a type error. As I said, the program will break. Constant variables must be assigned a value when declared. If you try to declare a const variable without a value, you'll get a syntax error. If you're trying to decide between which keyword to use, let or const, think about whether you need to reassign the variable later on. If you do not need to reassign the variable, use let. Otherwise, use const. Create a constant variable named entry. And set it equal to the string enchiladas. If you guys are wondering why my Spanish is so fantastic, it's because I'm Portuguese, not Spanish. Well, how can I say? I can speak Portuguese. That's why. So enchiladas, yeah, it sounds very Portuguese. So, but yeah, enchiladas, it's actually Spanish Mexican. So yeah, moving on. I'm gonna quickly run it and see. All right, as you can see, it's correct. Moving on to number 2. Just to check that you've saved the value of enchiladas to entry, log the value of entry to the console. Okay, so go ahead, console.log. So we're going to log the entry, which is the variable, no quotes, no single or double quotes. So run that. As you can see, the output is enchiladas. Okay, great. Let's see what happens if we try to reassign a constant variable. Paste the following code to the bottom of your program. Entry equal tacos. Just type it out. Okay, let's see what happens. As you can see, the program breaks. There's an error. Okay, so next, mathematical assignment operators. Let's consider how we can use variables and math operators to calculate new values and assign them to a variable. Check out the example below. Let w equal 4, w equal w plus 1. Console.log w, the output is 5. Okay, so there's obviously a shorter abbreviated version of this w equal w plus 1. You can just make it w equal plus equal 1, and it will automatically increment by 1. That's the better way. So in the example above, we've created the variable w with the number 4 assigned to it. The following line, w equal w plus 1, increases the value of w from 4 to 5. Another way we could have reassigned w after performing some mathematical operation on it is to use built-in mathematical assignment operators. We could rewrite the code above to be let w equal 4, w plus equals 1. As I said, console.log w. In the second example, we use the plus equal assignment operator to reassign w. We're performing the mathematical operation of the first operator plus using the number to the right. When reassigning w to the computed value, we also have access to other mathematical assignment operators, minus equals to, multiplied equal to, divide and divide equal to, which work in similar fashion. Let's practice these using these mathematical assignment operators. Instructions. Use the plus equal to mathematical assignment operator to increase the value of stored in level up by 5. So I'm going to do this right below level up. So we're going to take, so we're basically going to just take level up and plus equal, add 5 to it. right? So use the plus equal mathematical assignment operator to increase the value stored in level up by 5, okay? We're going to run that. As you can see, the value of level up is now 15, okay? All right, next. Use the minus equal mathematical assignment operator to decrease the value stored in power level by 100. Okay, so the variable power level, so type out the variable power level minus equal to by the amount of 100. So then we should get 8,901. So let's run that. As you can see, 8,901. So it did to decrement the variable value. So use the asterisk equal to or multiply equal to mathematical assignment operator to multiply the value stored in multiply me by 11. So multiply me, this variable, we're going to reassign multiply me. So multiply equal by 11. So yeah, that's going to be 352. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, 352. So let's check. I'm going to quickly run that. Yeah, I've got a spelling error here. Run it again. Yeah, as you can see, multiply me 352. All right, next, use the divide equal mathematical assignment operator to divide the value stored in quarter me by 4. Okay, so now quarter me, we're going to reassign variable, so divide equal by 4. Right, what's that going to give us? 256, 12, 18. Whoa. 280 something. I'm not sure. It's been a while. 288. Okay. Okay, let's